The B&D 6-way transfer seat base by BraunAbility is a tool to assist your client to transfer from their wheelchair into either the driver or passenger front positions. Now, this is done by them getting into the seat and then maneuvering, whether that be by a handheld pendant or by controls on the side of the seat. They're going to position themselves back forward into the best position suitable for them to drive. The client can drive in a full forward position or up to 4 inches backwards. We call this the comfort series, the comfort position. Your client can also drive in any height up and down, unrestricted, like we had done previously. This gives them the most range to be able to drive from if they have a larger torso, if they have a fused knee, or any other type of condition that they might need or want more room to drive from. Your client can either choose to keep the 100-degree swivel that they're familiar with today, or move to the 180. I'll show you those. The 100-degree would stop, or if they chose to just continue with the 180, your technician is going to remove a simple block that will allow the unit to rotate to 180 degrees every time. The question we sometimes get is, what features are going to be retained from the OEM seat when installed on a transfer seat base? And the answer to that is, all the features that came with the OEM seat are retained. As the market shifts, we get the question occasionally, will we sell our product direct? B&D, BraunAbility, has always taken the position to not sell our product direct to the customer. We know that our dealers and our technicians are the best trained to sell and install the product safely for our client.